nice to see you again. I just wanted to introduce something new that is for us, new to us here in Hawaii, and it is the Crafter's Companion kits that we just got in the stores. We're so excited to have these, and I can't wait to teach a class on them. Let's check out what's in the box. All right, so Crafter's Companion Quilling Flower Kit. We are going to unbox it. And here it says over 225 elements, makes up to a minimum of 18 cards. It has a beautiful back too that tells you what's included in this kit. And I love that it also shows you some designs here that you could totally copy as well. I do want to point out you can get more info from your kit by going to crafterscompanion.com. This is a great resource for more projects and learning more about her products. All right, let's open it. Beautiful packaging. Okay. Oh. And look, beautiful picture of her. Here we have nice tissue paper and blank cards. So I've got blank cards, gusset envelopes we have to match the cards, our quilling tool, pretty purple quilling tool. Looks like there's some dies, at least 2 dies in here. Right here look like petals, flower petals, and the stamen, and then leaves. Let's see, colored cardstock. So colored cardstock so you can make more beautiful colors. Let's see, I'm just gonna open it. Fun to see all this stuff. Oh, look at all these colors you get. Oh, I can't wait to play with this. Can't wait to show you guys. This is printed papers. So let's take a look at the beautiful printed papers that we have here. Everything comes beautifully packaged. I can't believe everything you get in here for such a great value. So it looks like 3 sheets of this purple one. There's some teal. Oh, a gorgeous pink. And the theme appears to be butterflies and flowers. And another blue with some blue flowers. Beautiful, beautiful. And then we also have butterflies and sayings. Oh, what is this? Paper strips. Oh, inside here are the strips of paper that have actually already been pre-die cut. So this is all of my petals that we'll be using. So again, these are already pre-die cut out to make it so easy for you to get started card making. This is a great kit for beginners and card making. I can't wait to get started. So thanks again for joining us on this unboxing, and I hope to see you in class when we teach this beautiful card. And you can learn to make all these different techniques. Have a great day.